I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices so the connection works smoothly. First, make sure your Renault Kiger model and iPhone iOS are compatible. Apple CarPlay on Kiger is typically wired. Enable Siri and Bluetooth on your phone and keep the phone unlocked. Once done, plug a quality Lightning to USB cable into the car's data USB port, not a charging-only socket, and turn the ignition to accessory or on. This starts the infotainment handshake, which is required before the system will present CarPlay options. Once the physical connection is live, interact with the Renault display to activate projection. Tap the Apple CarPlay icon or navigate to the phone/projection menu. The system asks for permission. At the same time, your iPhone will show a prompt to allow CarPlay, accept it, and permit contacts and notifications as needed so apps behave correctly. Make sure audio routes to the car by pressing the steering wheel voice button to call up Siri. This confirms both voice and media channels are working through the infotainment unit. To complete setup, run quick tests. Start navigation in Maps, place a call, and play music. This verifies touch, voice, and audio output. Make sure the cable is seated and not under strain, since loose connections cause intermittent drops. If CarPlay is unstable, update your iPhone iOS and the Renault infotainment firmware, because compatibility fixes often resolve issues. If things still fail, try a different certified Lightning cable. Restart both devices. And as a last resort, reset network settings on the iPhone to clear lingering pairing errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.